All right, today we're going to bring a heavy duty pump. This is a sand or cotton ball pump that you can use for. It comes with its base. It comes with its timer. This is something I didn't have before, so you could set up from here on and off, and it's just basic connection. You could use this timer for pretty much not just pump, but even your light settings. It goes from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, and 24 hours. So you could set this up. And of course, this is sealed for protection for outdoors. And of course, everything's included in here. They give you extra plumbing tape, adapters for all types of hoses, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that too. And I like the whole setup. We're going to set this up today, and we're going to add cotton balls. But before we do that, we're going to mount it into the actual unit itself here and have it ready. And then we'll add the cotton balls, we'll add the water, and then we'll start this whole cycle. Right now, this is very important. It's sealed in there. There's a film in there. There's actually a filter in there. You have to remove it. Make sure that you put in the cap to when you drain, you're adding your salt, your sand, or your cotton balls. And I'm going to show you how to do that part of this tutorial here and part of the setup. If you're going to buy some of this, I'm going to show you how difficult it is. They give you an Allen wrench too to take the whole thing apart and take this off. Now, I'm going to tell you something very impressive about this machine. There's a pressure in here, right? On top of that, I'm not going to lie to you, the whole entire thing includes the cotton balls in here. That, my brother, is very impressive. So we're not even going to touch it. We're just going to go straight to the whole system and set this up. So we're going to put it back how it was. All right, here we have it. We had a leak, so we had to test it out, make sure it's running. So this is what I have right now. B and B. Water coming in to the actual pump. And I recommend you guys getting one of these valves so you can always close them. It's an emergency. Next thing you know, it goes in here, goes into the pump. It goes into return. The return, I also have a valve here that I was able to unlock now. Water's flowing freely onto the system. We're going to turn it on for first time. I checked for any leaks first. There was a leak right here at the bottom. I had to disconnect everything and make sure there was no leak. So that's why you see all this water. So test it out prior to setting it up. So we're going to turn it on first time, and we're going to set up the timer for at least a couple hours. All right, here's my pump. I have it off right now. We're going to turn it on. It's about 24 hours. We're going to set it up. All right, we're going to do 2 hours. We're going to turn it on. And there it goes. First time. You hear the water coming in through here, going out. Let's see how powerful it is. Oh, yeah. Pumping right now. So it's going to get a flow, but look at how strong it is. You could do backwash later down the line when you're cleaning it, but now I don't have no leaks. Pumping pretty good. I'm going to get a longer extension, waterproof extension. Later on, I'm going to raise it up with some bricks. But right now, we're going to let it run for a couple hours. Make sure that there's no leaks. And always come and check your leaks here. And also check the pressure. Look at the pressure gauge. We're good, all right? So we're in a good position right now. I want to be a little higher, but it's okay. We're getting enough PSI, so it's pushing out right now. So if you find it that there's air stuck in here, do a backwash, rinse, and check your flow here, because I might not have the valves on. Yeah, it is sucking, okay. So check this one out. Yep, I feel the water pressure going in there, and it's going to stabilize as soon as you see more running. So the hose are not included with the actual pump system, the filter system, but everything else that came included with the actual pump, the filter, the balls, and of course we set a filter. We have waste, close, and then backwash, winter, rinse, and right now we have filter. But once in a while, come in there, check it out. Make sure that there's pressure. And right now, this is old water, so. But we're gonna check it out later on when it's dry. Let it run some more. Let's see how much pressure it is pushing out. Yeah, it's a lot of pressure, so it's not bad. pushing really good, so it's gonna help my pool out. This is above ground pool. If you guys need a pump, highly recommend you pumps like these. They last for many years. I had a pump for 5 years already, and it's time to replace it. I like that it came with the timer on this one. The only thing I don't like is that short cord, because there's my main connection. I'm gonna have to find another connection to plug it in, but right now we set up 2 hours. Good pressure out here. Pool's ready for summer. Hope you guys enjoy this video.